Is a bear market here? Should you sell all your Shiba Inu now? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about Shiba Inu as some interesting things are going on in the market. First and foremost, the main highlight is this massive elephant in the room. The current fear and greed index is at a 38 fear, which hasn't been this low all year, which is absolutely insane and very, very scary. Then we look at the prices of some of the top cryptocurrencies. First of all, Bitcoin at $56,000, Ethereum sub $3,000, Binance at $500, and Solana at $134. Out of all tokens, I believe Solana is holding on to its average the highest, but all the other tokens have basically been dumping. And now we talk about Shiba Inu. What the heck is going to go on from here? Shiba Inu down 14% on the week, 4% on the 24-hour, and about 0.3% in the 1-hour chart. What is going to go on with Shiba Inu? Is this your time to sell your entire bag? Is the bear market here? Is everything over? That's what we're talking about today's video. Before the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously. And like always, this is not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. We're taking a look at the bubbles for today, and we can see Shiba Inu, one of the bigger bubbles, at minus 4.36%. Then we go ahead and look at the chart, and we open the 1 month to get a full picture here. We are down a whopping 43%. We zoom out to the 1 year, we're still have made significant gains, up 95%. So if anything, this might be an optimal time to buy. We're at an interesting standpoint, guys, where people are predicting Bitcoin to break out, and if that's the case, we're going to see some crazy price pumps from meme coins. Same with Ethereum. Ethereum ETFs are supposedly around the corner. If that happens, a massive pumps will come and hopefully boost the price of Shiba Inu. Now might be an optimal time to get in at these super low prices, so you can lock in some gains if it pumps, especially if you're bullish on Shiba Inu long term. And regardless of the fact, if you like buying in early, I want to highlight this PreSale Gem that's been going absolutely crazy. It's Shiba Shoot Out. This is a retro style, I want to say Western style Shiba Inu meme coin that has raised almost $500,000 or just over $500,000 in the pre-sale alone. And in 8 hours and 12 days, they're going to have their next price increase. So if you want to buy it now at the lowest price, now is your time to buy. Saddle up for the Legends of Shiba Showdown, where the Wild West meets the spirit of crypto frontier. Is absolutely insane. They have a solid website. It's not like some of the other meme coins we see on the channel. This one looks like they're building something completely different. We see they have cactus staking, utility. They're building a whole solid project off the rip. It's absolutely insane. If you want to be a part of it, link in the description to below to load up. Even their social media, about 1,000 followers. They're growing pretty fast as they just launched recently, posting memes, engaging with the community. This one's going to be absolutely solid. If you want to load up, link in the description below. But back to Shiba Inu, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on in the technical reports, as oscillators are in the sell. Moving averages a strong sell, indicating a strong sell. The charts are not looking very bullish, right? We load up, we're loading at the 1 month chart. We look at the 6 month chart to see a clearer picture. We've seen it pump nice in March, or early March, and since then it's just kind of trading sideways with some volatility. But as of late June, just complete dumping going on, and July we're hoping to see a recovery for a fan favorite meme coin. But again, none of this is financial advice. There's a possibility it continues to dump. However, I think with all the ETFs buying up Bitcoin, I think crypto is going to be here to stay, and I don't think we're going to enter a crazy bear market like we have in the past. This is just one of those phases that crypto has to go through to pass on to its next big level. We're taking a look at the news, and again, 30% spike in Shiba Inu token transfer fees shock Shibarium. Here's where billionaire. Here's how to become a billionaire when Shiba Inu hits 0.07 cents. So calculation, you need about this much Shiba Inu to hit that goal. And again, at current price right now, guys, let's actually do a calculation. So if here's how to become a billionaire when Shiba Inu hits 0.07 cents. And this is how much Shiba Inu you would need, about 142 million tokens. So we're gonna copy this token, these numbers, and we're gonna go into the calculator over here, and just to see how much that would cost you with today's price, because today's price is low. So we're gonna bump this into here. And roughly, if you bought $2,100 worth of Shiba Inu USD, you could potentially become a Shiba Inu millionaire when Shiba Inu hits 0.07 cents. Now, the awesome part is, if you did the same calculation just approximately 2 months ago, you'd have to invest almost double, almost 4.5K, which is absolutely insane. So again, I'm pretty bullish on Shiba Inu long term. It survived the entire bear market, so I think this is just a small bump along the road, and Shiba Inu is going to recover. We can literally see employee resigns from work if Shiba Inu rises 100,000%. Seriously, if Shiba Inu can hit 0.1 cents out of some miracle, we're going to disrupt this industry. LOL, good morning. Then we see Shiba Inu gets its first public company in the US to accept SHIB as payment. It's all bullish things, right? Even with that payment processor, they're gonna have a buyback and burn feature as well, so it should help with the price of Shiba Inu. We see Shiba Inu posting some 4th of July post. Looks like they're at this big convention just a couple days ago, and overall just bullish for Shiba Inu ahead. 3.8 million followers on X, and we're anticipating this is just going to grow with some time. Now here's the thing, guys, we are seeing a dip in the market, and I imagine we are going to see a swift recovery very soon. It's going to take some patience. If anything, you might want to start dollar costing averages at these low prices to kind of see where we go from here. We see Shib is doing exactly what we expected. The price is testing here for sure, and then they have the chart here, so a rebound is imminent. That's what we're all hoping for. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, and let us know how you're feeling about Shiba Inu in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.